Let's go ahead and open it up. What a great way to make your dumb garage smart. Hey everyone, Digital David here. Today in this video, I'm going to be checking out the Chamberlain Smart Garage Control. I did purchase this product on my own, and any opinion expressed in this video is strictly my own. That being said, if you're interested in this product, you want to find out more about it, the link to it will be in the video description. You can see the retail box and packaging right here. So this is a smart garage control unit, and it's compatible with MyQ and Amazon Key delivery if you want to get free in-garage delivery for Prime members. That's what excites me most about this particular unit, and to make my dumb garage smart. Now let's go ahead, let's open it up and look at the contents. Here are all the contents. First up, you can see we have some product literature. So we have our warning sticker followed by our MyQ and Amazon Key piece of literature letting us know that Amazon Prime members get free in-garage delivery. Next, we have a what's in the box, as well as a QR code to download the manual to set everything up, and they let us know you can download the MyQ app for iOS and Android devices, and they have this information repeated multiple times in different languages. Next, you can see we have our power adapter and power supply right here. We have our screw and wall anchors as well as our adhesive strips. You can see our mounting bracket. Let's check that out. Next, you can see the sensor that's going to go on the garage door, and we can pull that to activate the battery. Next, you can see we have the sensor that's going to go next to our control unit right here. So you can see how that looks. That's where we're going to connect our power cable. You can see the back side. It's going to go and attach to this bracket right here. So you can see that from all different sides and angles. Now let's go ahead. Let's get this set up. All right, so check it out. We're in my garage. Let me show you what we did. I kid you not, this took less than 15 minutes. I would say you could do this in 10 minutes or less, depending on your setup. So what do? Step one, download the MyQ app. It's going to walk you through step by step everything you need to do. So what's the first step? You can see over here, this is the first step. You're going to install the door sensor. So it's less than 30 degrees Fahrenheit outside for me. So my garage is freezing cold. So unfortunately, the adhesive strips didn't work. I cleaned a nice area, dried it off, but it was too cold. They did not stick. So I improvised. I used the included screws and I zapped it in right there, and I'm very happy with the results. Now, if I do need to remove it for whatever reason, I'm sad we're not using the adhesive strips with the Velcro, but it's not that big of a deal. You can just pop the top off, and I got one screw to unzap. So after we did that, we plug in the other unit, and we will press that button to pair them together. So let's walk back over here. So you can see here's where we have the other unit right there. They say to keep it away from metal obstructions, so I'm happy with the outcome right there. But basically, you're going to press that button on the sensor prompted by the app. They're going to communicate, and you're ready for the next step, which is basically to mount this where you desire. So that's where we're leaving ours. And then we need to pair the devices together. So that will vary depending on your make and model. Full disclosure, I didn't even look up to see if this one was compatible. I just went for it, and sure enough, it worked great. So on your unit, you need to identify where the learn button is. So if I climb up the ladder here for you guys, you can see on our unit, there is our learn button right there, if we can get that in focus. So you're going to press that, and it's going to communicate on its own with your device. There will be some blinking of lights on your unit, and eventually it will open the garage door, and you're all set and ready to go. It's really cool. Let's go ahead and open it up. Check that out. So cool. It's working great. So you can see I just tried to tap the button. It does not appear it's going to stop it while it's opening, but watch what happens next. So there we go. It's flashing, lighting up, and we have a countdown that it's going to be closing. And sure enough, it's closing the garage door for us. Man, that is so cool. What a great way to make your dumb garage smart. Well, that concludes our video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget the product link will be in our video description below. Please go ahead, check it out, and do your shopping from there. Any purchase made through that link helps support our channel at no additional cost to you. So we're really grateful and thankful for all of your support. While you're at it, can you go ahead and hit that like button for us? And subscribe to our channel. We have new content coming out daily, and we don't want you to miss anything. Please go ahead and give us a follow online and make it a clean sweep. Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, Twitch, TikTok, Discord. You can message us on WeChat, check out our website, and join our free newsletter. Thank you guys so much for being here. Don't forget new content daily, and we can't wait to see you in our next video.